So the purpose of this video is to show you how to check your past due assignments. So if I scroll down here, all right, I'm on my student homepage. If I scroll down, I can see, first off, it shows me that I have an assignment due on the 6th. So that's your Flex Friday assignment that you need to do now. Okay, the next thing is it says there are no past due assignments in this time frame. This time frame is these 2 weeks. So if I scroll backwards here, now I see that I have 2 assignments that are past due. And so I can click here and it'll show me what assignment that is, and I can go to that assignment and do it. Okay, so I can do entire course to date and it'll show me all of my past due assignments, or all of the assignments I've had. And you can get to your assignments that way. Okay, so one more time. I'm at the course home. I see there are no assignments in this time frame that are past due. So I scroll backwards and I can see that I have 2 assignments that are past due. If I click on those assignments, it'll let me do them.